The LEMATEC Air Needle Scaler and Hammer Chisel Kit, your ultimate solution for surface preparation, metal removal, and cleaning tasks. This versatile tool set is designed to tackle various jobs, making it an essential addition to any professional's toolkit. Let's start with the Needle Scaler. Its efficient design enables it to clean rust and stubborn residues effortlessly. Through high-frequency vibrations, it can rapidly and effectively remove stubborn rust and corrosion. Now, let's switch to the Hammer Chisel. The Hammer Chisel can handle a variety of heavy-duty tasks, including cutting through metal, demolishing walls, and removing tiles. Variety of chisel head designs provide a wide range of functions. Switching between the Needle Scaler and Hammer Chisel is a breeze, providing you with unparalleled flexibility on the job. Whether you're in construction, automotive, metalworking, or any industry that requires surface preparation or metal removal, LEMATEC Air Needle Scaler and Hammer Chisel Kit is your go-to tool.